Hello everyone, so today I wanted to present to you all, um, my other pet. His name is Paul, and he's a laughing dog. And I've actually had him since a little while now, a few months, since the mid-spring, I think April or May, something like that, maybe June. But yeah, he's grooming right now. I'm planning to do a care video about him more in details, but yeah, um, you know, he's very curious, very playful, very sweet, very nice. Right now, he trusts me completely. This is why he is grooming like that. He isn't afraid of me or anything. He was sleeping a few minutes ago. um, and yeah, that's basically all he does all day. We have a nice cage for him, but I also love to make him have some fun time outside of the cage. And yeah, he is less than a year old. They can live about 10 years, so it's kind of like the expectancy of a dog, I guess, a big dog. Um, and yeah, he's really nice. He have the capacity to fly, and we allow him to fly in the apartment, but it's not a good flyer. It's only on short distance, so he's easy to catch, and yeah. What are you doing? That's not appropriate. So as you can see, he have the nice, very distinctive like black collar on his neck, like almost a ring. So that's totally normal, and some nice little pink foot. Show us your eyes, please, Paul. Well, he kind of have like red eyes, but we kind of don't see it really well. But yeah, he have some brown and gray feathers and some white on his tail. And yeah, overall, really a fun pet to have. So yeah, again, I'm going to do a care video, like a more elaborate care video, but I just wanted to, to present him for the first time. And he really wanted to be clean for his first appearance on my channel, I guess. I had him since he's like much smaller. Like the first time I've actually met him, he was so small. He wasn't even able to fly properly. He doubled in size, I guess. He picked up some beautiful feathers, especially his tail. And yeah, it's a female. And the reason why I know that is because male are bigger. They have more elaborate feathers on the tail, and they're also much more talkative. This little girl, she don't sing a lot. And the reason why it's called a laughing dove is because the song they sing is really looking like someone laughing. It's creep. It's like having the Joker in the apartment. Oh. Oh, you're all puffed up. Oh, cute. Yeah, that's like contrarily to a parrot. They don't really need a lot of toys because they don't play that much. It's not that we don't have toys for him, or rather for her. It's really just that it's a grooming bird. It loves to groom and look pretty and find food, but apart from that, it doesn't do a lot really. Like right now, you have the most of action. you will never get from this bird. No, you're all poofy. It's cute. And he's about 8 inch. I guess when it's itching. But yeah, he's about 8 inch, so 20 centimeters from the beak to the tail. But that's when his face is like crumbed up like that, because it can extend his neck quite a bit. Oh, are you tired now? Oh, yeah. He's about to sleep. Or she's about to sleep, sorry. Oh, I guess not. It's a pretty bird. Came from the front. It's a nice little pet to have. It's my first bird ever, and it's great, because it's not like a buggy or something like crazy like that. It's not expensive at all. I got him for free actually, but he's a little rescue. But for feeding, I feed him this. So very small seeds. Even like the biggest seed in there, he's not even able to eat that. No, that's my finger. Don't eat my finger. Oh, are you hungry? Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh. Whoa! I'm gonna do a mess. Oh yeah. No, 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 you're making a mess now. Okay, come back. Come back here. Come back. Okay. And so we did like a little spot right here, so when you can chill, just looking at the view. So we have like, I don't know, stuff. Some little not moss, but like, I guess paper that you can dig in. Come on, show us something cool. Do you want to explore? No, don't eat that. So you can look at the window when that's only when he's supervised. Otherwise, when we're not home, we put him in, rather we put her in her little cage. It's a big cage. Not a round cage, a rectangular cage. And yeah, you have food in there. Oh, okay, you're eating that. Oh, that's good. Is it good? Yum 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 yum. Oh, you can kind of see his eyes. And how red they are. It's not a really colorful bird per se, but it's nice. And the food is really cheap, and it doesn't eat a lot, really. It may seems like he eats a lot right now, but it's nothing really. A big bag of food is like $6, and it lasts him forever. You're cute. You know that? You're precious. Is it good? Do you like it? Mm-hmm. I love this bird. Oh, you're so sweet. You are so sweet. Let me pet you a bit. Oh yes, yes. Nice and gentle. You like to watch the windows? I have nice view. Hey buddy. Yep, now he's. I always say he. She's like trying to evaluate where she can go from now on. Like she's trying to spot her next place where she will hang. Again, it's not a good flower, and for it to come on my hand, I just need to like push her belly a bit, just like that, gently, and yeah, there you go. Show us your nice wings. Ah, yes. You're cute, aren't you? Okay, say goodbye to everyone. Bye bye.